If you are having an issue connecting WordPress to Pabbly Connect, here is the solution. So I would search for the Pabbly, WordPress. So I have a custom app because I love building custom apps, and it would allow me to have a more control over to the custom apps. But right now I would be just using the native connection, which would be easier for you to understand. I would select creating a user. Right. So I have a connections already, but I would just go with the new one because this is how you would be connecting a new WordPress. Uh, I would rename it. It would be easier for me to get this. I can remove this if I want to. So in the username, I would enter admin, which is which is my admin username. You can go to this. You can go to this particular profile option. You can click on edit your profile. You will be able to see the admin username here. You can copy this and paste it over here. So for password, you don't want to run into issues, right? So here, I would turn. You can obviously use the admin password directly, but for me, security is one of the highest concern, right? So I would not recommend using the admin password directly. Rather, you can go to the profile again and create an application password which should allow you to use it in the third-party applications. So I would just enter the name and I would get the password. So I would copy this and paste it here. So the page URL will be my WordPress URL without including a WP admin or WP login.php. I would just copy paste this here. Right. So this is the issue. We would get into something like this. By deep, WordPress, Pabbly recommend installing this particular plugin, but honestly, it never worked for me. But I would install this plugin, basic auth, which would allow me to connect the WordPress without having to get into errors, right? So you can go ahead and click on code drop down here and download the uh, compressed file. So I have the plugin downloaded already. I would just go ahead and install the plugin. I would activate it. Okay, I would activate the plugin. So that's all. We have the JSON basic authentication plugin installed now. So I would try by connecting it again. You would probably get an error like this if you have the new WordPress. But if you don't have the new WordPress, if you are connecting a production side, you would probably don't see issue like this. But if you see the issue like this, you can go ahead, go to the permalinks, you would just save the settings. If you have the custom permalinks structure, you can just skip this for me or just go with the post name. If you have the post name already, you can just click on save button. It should be good. Now I have to click on connect again. Yep, I was able to connect the WordPress without going through error again. So I would create a one WordPress user to show you whether it works or not. So we'll enter an email address, one of my email address, and admin username is this, and password. We'll just enter. Uh, I'll copy this, paste this only. Right, we have the password here, and I would skip rest of the pictures. Rest of the fields, and this will be admin again. And yeah, I would click on send request. Yep, we have the user created. So I would now now that we have a new admin user, let me create a post. All right. So I have the control button here. So I don't see. Okay, I don't think I can click on this button. But I would assume you have some content that you would like to be posted. Right now, I would just enter some dummy content, dummy title. This would be dummy. You can skip this period if you don't have the content. You can just post the title. It would be posted as a draft. You can select this. Obviously, you can select the status to publish, but I would just select the draft, and I would select the new admin, and I would click on send request. All right, we have the post, and we also have the admin. This is the admin. We created it using the Pabbly. We have a new post, which is a dummy title. So I would assume this is how you would be able to connect the WordPress. This is the solution. You would install this particular plugin, and for password, you would be using the application password, and and if you get the error, if you are using an application password, and even with this particular plugin, you could go to the settings, you would to go to the promo links, you would click on save button. You should be able to connect the WordPress, and if you have any issues again, you can just let me know. I'm more than happy to take a look at it. And yeah, that's all. And yeah, I hope this video helps you in some way.